Hey everyone, today we are going to learn about the data sampling with the sliding window. Let's understand what this thing is. The LLMs are actually the prediction machine. They are not something very intelligent or something like that. Yes, at the base level, they are just predicting the text. Although just predicting the text is itself a very powerful thing. Uh, yeah, and that is how now we have understood that okay, this is really a very important and interesting thing. So let's dive into it and understand that how this happens. Okay, so you know what happens if I have this whole sentence, then you know the input will be LLMs and the output will be learn. Okay, and then next input will be LLM learn and the output will be two, so that you know it will be able to learn that okay how to predict the next word. That is what the thing is. Okay, the next step in the creating the embedding of the LLM to generate the input and target pairs. Yes, so that is what the LLMs are. I hope you got an understanding of what this thing. So we'll be let's implement the data loader that will be fetching the input target pairs. Okay, so it will be loading a input target pairs now and executing will total number of token in the training set after applying the BPE tokenizer. We have taken the BPE tokenizer. Yeah. Next, we remove the first 50 tokens from the dataset for the demonstration purpose, as this is slightly more interesting text passage in next step. Okay. Yeah. And one of the easiest and most intuitive way to create the input target pairs for next word prediction is to create two variables. Yes. So you know we'll be creating X and Y. Just see X and Y, and we have put the context size, and we have put here the context size plus one, and that is how this is going to work. Okay, so it is these are the tokens actually. These are the words, but it is converted in the token IDs. Yeah, tokens, not IDs. Then by processing the input along the target, which is the shifted by one position. So yeah, you can see like this is the input, this is the output, this is the input, this is the output. So you can say how it is mapping everything refer to the input and output. Yeah. So that is the thing. You can see here how it is sliding. So first thing is this, second thing is this. So that is how it works. We see in the code. Yeah, we had this thing data set of batched input and targets. Okay, uh, and we can see here like how individual rows are fetched from the data set, and it is going to do something like test the data set with batch size of 1 for LM context size of 4. Okay, so like maximum length will be 4. You can see here the maximum length is 4 and a stride is 1. What is the meaning of maximum length and a stride? So you can see the maximum length 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that is the maximum length. And a stride means that you know it will be sliding by 1. Okay, so I'm showing you here. Let's take a stride is 1. So, it will be just taking this and taking next. Okay. But what if it's right two? Then it will be taking this and it will be taking this. Okay. As the initial. So you can see here it is taking this. Now next this is okay. That is the thing. I hope you got the clarity of this thing. And here there was an exercise. So we do the exercise with different maximum length and strides. And I hope you got the understanding of this. And this is very interesting to understand. Okay. Yeah. That's what I think. Okay.